Hi folks, James here. So today we're going to do some rudimentary unboxing of a portion of the streaming gear that I got. I started with a mic, what I need with a mic. So based on some reviews, a lot of reviews, the choice for me was the Broadcaster or the Procaster from Rode. So I settled on the Procaster, kind of middle of the road in terms of a choice. So this one I got from B&H Photo. Here we go. So yeah, I already took that off. Took a peek, as it were, before I made this video. But here we are. But that's how it arrived. So the box wasn't perfect. So it comes with this mic stand, or the where you connect the mic to eventually if you had the boom arm, or another kind of place to attach the microphone. So you've got, I'm assuming the microphone is in here, but let's go with here first. So it comes with this XLR blue ring quick start guide. So this is what you I'll show you where this goes in later. It comes with I Love Rode sticker. It's the instruction manual and the 10-year warranty. So I'll put those in there. Put that aside. Let's open up the lids here. So that's a nice leatherish leather. Is it real leather? I don't know. So here is the microphone. Check what's inside. Nope, just a regular bag of some type. So here we go. The Procaster. And I was reading up on this particular piece. I was actually about to throw that away. It seems to be this is the crystal that turns pink. It needs to turn blue. What it is I need to double check, but it doesn't look to be this is what was in the instructions. But if it was, then this is supposed to turn pink if it's wet or dirty. And then we need to wait for it to turn blue, and that means it's all dried up. That's if after using the mic you put this back in there in a package. Doesn't have to be in the plastic, I guess. Put it in there and it'll dry out. So because you speak into the mic, you got your lips are wet, saliva and all that stuff, nasty stuff, but I'll leave it in there. So here it is, the Procaster. You've got a groove there that really helps to seat the XLR, and you're supposed to speak no further than 2 inches. You can, I guess, but you'll have to increase your gain. And this comes with its own built-in pop filter, but since I checked for accessories, apparently it does come with this windshield. That's how it's supposed to go with. So there we go. I got that too. Need to have a complete set, right? And let's see. So this is about an inch or so away from the edge. Let's see how far that goes. Plug that in there. So by the way, that's when I first saw this, I thought this was huge. All right, so this is about an inch away-ish, so just about covers that marker there. So that's and this microphone is heavy. I mean, this is heavy. This is uncomfortable to be bringing around with you like a regular microphone you sing into. So this should really be on a mic stand or hanging on some kind of boom arm. And right, let's see how this fits into the mix. So you unscrew that. I guess you plug that in here, or plug it the other way. I would plug it this way. needs to be there. Let's see, there just about. There we go. Nice. And then let's see if I have a, let me go see if I have an XLR cable or jack in here somewhere. There we go. We've got one of these XLR cables I'm testing with. So that goes in here, groove for groove. Where is that groove? Over there, groove and then groove. So we plug it in there. So I need to be able to just show you how that works. Okay, so it goes in there. Right. Okay. And this, if you remember this blue ring over here. So apparently this blue ring, the way to use that is if at some point this starts to get loose, you're supposed to put that blue ring in between. Well, right now it's got this black thing, washer or gasket. So that's I guess that's a replacement gasket if this ever gets lost or is loose. So it's good that this actually has a gasket built into it, so that way it doesn't have any give. Otherwise, see, there's some give to it, but it needs to be nice and seated. That way it's, well, I don't like things loose, so that would be annoying. But yeah, that is some heavy stuff, and that's how you use this particular ring. All right, there you go. The RØDE Procaster.